So you signed up at teachable.com and you've got your account and you're ready to set up your first course. Well, today I'll show you how, so stick around. Hi, I'm Cynthia. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your first course and launching your school. Let's dive in. All right, start by logging in. Then go to the admin area. Now within the dashboard here, you go to courses and hit new course. Then enter in the name for your course, your bio, and hit add bio when you're done, and then a subtitle. Hit create course. This curriculum area, I'm going to do a future video so I can explain all the different options available to you. All right, within pricing, we're going to offer our course for free. Remember, there's no transaction fees for free courses. Click publish down at the bottom here. All right, so you have the ability to preview your sales page. So we'll take a peek at what we've done so far. Got the title, the subtitle, everything else, like the bio, we added that, but a lot of this stuff was added automatically for us, which is kind of cool. Next, we're going to go into customize look and feel. So you can add your logo, you can specify your font, you can pick a preset palette or pick colors that match your branding. All right, so now we're ready to launch your school. Scroll down, we're going to go with the free plan. And that's it. Well, I hope you liked that video. I hope it was helpful for you. And in the next video, I'll be helping you differentiate between the school's homepage and a course sales page. So I'll see you in the next video.